This is the fuel oil tank containing diesel oil, flash point not less than 43 degrees Celsius, and this is, you can see, level gauge, and then we have level alarm, low and high level alarm, and most important thing, when you are going to start the emergency generator, must check this quick closing valve is open or not. So this already open. So let's go. I will show you some things also. This is the transformer, and this is another transformer. This is basically for, you can see here, from transferring 450 to 230, and this you can see aft of the emergency generator, emergency switchboard, and this is the battery charger here, and this is the batteries, two batteries inside, 12 volt, total supplying to battery 24 volts. And here it's the emergency generator switchboard. Here you can see so many MCCBs and breakers are there, and this is, you see, main ACBs. It's bus tie feed from main switchboard, and specifically this main thing is this breaker is from emergency generator power supply. And then you can see this is click card for showing how you can use this emergency generator in emergency case and normal operation. And this is the operating panel for the specifically emergency generator. This is the battery isolating switch for hydraulic starter. So you first, we have to check this all charging system is normal. So we will take from here, from, it's from auto to manual, and then we can start the emergency generator from here. So you have seen already starting of the emergency generator through batteries, and this we have another starting medium. This is called hydraulic starter. This have hydraulic tank accumulator. By this pump we keep pumping like this. We have to pump from like this. It will be coming 150 bar. Then the precautionary is, you have to turn off this switch, battery switch, to protect the battery, and then you can operate this valve. This is the operating valve, you can operate, and this will start by hydraulic medium. So you can see this is the hydraulic motor here, this is the hydraulic motor, and this is the electrical starter. Okay, electrical DC motor is there, which both are the motor. One is hydraulic, one is electrical starter, and both moving the, giving primary startup RPM for the emergency generator. So I will show you few things which before starting the emergency generator you have to see, you have to check. Like, first thing is, you have to check lube oil, then you have to check this radiator water level. So this is the very basic thing you have to check for starting the hydraulic. You have to check this hydraulic oil level, and